Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your problems on Google Drive. To know how to find a solution about Google Drive app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the app of Google Drive. Then this list of app and for you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. Here we go to click on Play Store. You will find this page, and if you will find here in this plus sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.